Have you ever wondered how some people make over $10,000 in their first month on TikTok? What if I told you that you could do the same even if you don't live in the US, UK, or France? Welcome to the digital gold rush of our time, the TikTok Creativity Program Beta. This program is breaking the internet, offering creators a lucrative opportunity to monetize their content. But there's a catch. It's only available in select countries. Fear not though. For today, I'll unveil how to bypass these restrictions and join the ranks of high earners on TikTok, regardless of where you live. By leveraging AI tools, you can create high-quality, engaging content that not only meets TikTok standards, but also captivates your audience. So let's dive into the world of TikTok monetization and discover how you can start making money online today. To be eligible for the TikTok Creativity Program Beta, creators must meet certain criteria. Be at least 18 years old, have a minimum of 10,000 followers, reach at least 100,000 authentic video views in the last 30 days, have an account in good standing, no violations of community guidelines, post original content that is at least 1 minute long. Chapter 1. Preparing for Profit. The first step on this journey is setting up a US TikTok account. Without it, you're essentially leaving money on the table, as only these accounts can join the creativity program. If you're not a US citizen, you can ask any of your friends or relatives living in the USA to create an account for you. Alternatively, you can find many people selling USA TikTok accounts for a few bucks. Websites like Easy Viral, PlayerUp, and Z2U offer legitimate US TikTok accounts for sale. Chapter 2. Choosing your path to success. Choosing the right niche is akin to selecting the right path in a maze. It determines your success. Here are 6 niches currently making people over $115,000 each month. But beware, TikTok's creativity program has strict rules on original content. I'll introduce you to the perfect niche formula, focusing on appealing to a broad yet specific audience, ensuring ease of production with high perceived value and sticking with the proven concepts. The perfect niche formula. Number 1. Appeal to a broad yet specific audience. Focus on uploading videos that naturally attract US viewers or other first world countries. This will help you experience a higher RPM, revenue per mil, meaning the amount of dollars you make per 1,000 views. Examples of niches that are currently going viral include Reddit stories, Minecraft parkour, fitness, and product demos. These niches have a broad appeal but are specific enough to target a dedicated audience. Number 2. Ease of production with high perceived value. Choose a niche where the videos are easy to produce yet have a high perceived value. This allows you to quickly scale your operation since your videos can be easily automated by AI. For instance, creating videos around trending topics or using popular formats like top 10 lists can be both engaging and easy to produce. Number 3. Stick with proven concepts. Pick a niche that has some accounts absolutely blowing up, but not so many that there are an unlimited number of accounts posting the same content. For example, Reddit stories have a few huge accounts that are getting massive amounts of views. This niche is proven to perform well, making it a safe bet for new creators. Chapter 3. Creating your first viral video. Now let's dive into the heart of content creation using AI. I'll show you how ChatGPT creates engaging scripts and 11 labs for realistic voiceovers. We'll source high-quality background footage from YouTube, focusing on proven view generators like Minecraft parkour or GTA gameplay. Then, using CapCut, we'll bring our video to life with AI-generated captions, ensuring the content is polished and ready for viral success. Step-by-step guide to creating viral videos. Number 1. Generate engaging scripts with ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT and paste a prompt that instructs the AI to write a story or script of 150 words, which is almost 1 minute at least. For example, you can ask it to generate a creepypasta story from a specific point of view. This will give you a unique and engaging script that can captivate your audience. Number 2. Create realistic voiceovers with 11 labs. Use 11 labs to generate high-quality voiceovers. The quality of the voice is crucial as TikTok pays attention to this aspect. Choose a voice that sounds realistic and matches the tone of your script. Paste your script into 11 labs, generate the voiceover, and download the audio file. Number 3. Source high-quality background footage. Find trending background footage on YouTube, such as Minecraft parkour or GTA 5 gameplay. These types of videos are proven to generate hundreds of millions of views. Ensure the video quality is very high and looks appealing. Download the footage using any website that allows you to download YouTube videos by pasting the link. Number 4. Edit videos with CapCut. Use CapCut, a free online video editing software to bring all your content together. Upload your gameplay footage, voiceover, and background music. Add AI-generated captions by using CapCut's auto caption feature. Customize the style of the captions to match the theme of your video. Remove any unwanted sounds from the gameplay footage and adjust the volume of the background music to ensure it complements the voiceover. Number 5. Add final touches. Include the original Reddit comment or a catchy hook at the beginning of the video. This can be generated using ChatGPT as well. Ensure all elements are synchronized and the video flows smoothly. Double check that text and overlays disappear at the right time to avoid a sloppy look. Chapter 4. Optimizing your videos. To truly go viral, you need to understand the TikTok algorithm. I'll share 3 tips to boost your account's visibility. First, maintain a strategic upload schedule to avoid spam detection. Next, incorporate unexpected endings or calls to action to drive engagement. Lastly, leverage TikTok's series feature to encourage the algorithm to promote your content, as it benefits from your success. Tips for optimizing your videos. Number 1. Strategic upload schedule. Since we're dealing with AI-generated content, there will be a large volume of uploads. To avoid the algorithm suspecting unusual activity, always upload your videos with at least 1 hour in between. This helps in maintaining a consistent presence without triggering spam detection. Number 2. Engaging endings and calls to action. Add a little unexpected ending or a call to action at the end of your script. This can be something like asking viewers to comment or share the video. For example, end your creepy story with a question like, "Would you have done the same?" or a prompt like and share if you enjoyed the story. This boosts engagement and signals the algorithm to promote your content. Number 3. Leverage TikTok's series feature. Create a series of videos that promote a video course or a related set of content. TikTok's algorithm tends to push content that promotes a series because it benefits from your success. This strategy not only helps in getting more views, but also in building a loyal audience who will follow your series. Embarking on this journey with the TikTok Creativity Program Beta offers an unparalleled opportunity to make money online. By following the steps outlined today, from setting up the right account to creating and optimizing your content, you're well on your way to potentially earning thousands each month. Remember, the key to success lies in creativity, consistency, and leveraging the power of AI. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online. Join our community and stay updated with the latest strategies to maximize your earnings on TikTok and other platforms. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!